We will test the LM35 using two circuit connections. The diagram of the first circuit connection is shown on the screen. We can see that ground is directly connected to the ground pin of LM35 sensor. This is the temperature results we are reading. Now we will use the connection and code mentioned in our solution. This is the second connection shown on the screen. Here we have shifted the voltage of LM35 sensor ground pin to be higher than 1 volts. The voltage on the ground pin of LM35 is also measured using Arduino's pin A1. Here are the results.